Hello friends, hope you guys are well. So today we are going to talk about the biggest insurance company in USA. It is a very big and well-known auto insurance company. The government employs insurance company Geico is an American auto insurance company. The headquarters in Chivay, Maryland is the second largest auto insurance in the United States. After State Farm, Geico is a wholly owned subsidiary of Berkshire Hathaway that provides coverage more than 24 million motor vehicles, owned by more than 15 million policyholders as of 2017. Geico writes private passenger automobile insurance in all 50 US states and the District of Columbia. This insurance agency sells policies through local agents called Geico Field representatives over the phone directly to the consumer via licensed insured agents and through their websites. Its mascot is a gold dust de Geico with a Cook Venny accent voiced by English actor Jake Wood from 2005 until this termination due to a pay dispute in 2005. Geico is well known in popular culture for its advertising, having made numerous commercials intended to intern viewers. Geico is a insurance company. It's founded on 1936, 85 years ago, San Antonio, Texas, United States. The founder of Geico is Leo Godwin and Leanne Godwin. The headquarters are situated in Chevy Maryland, United States. The area served United States. Key people taught combos and the products are auto insurance. Its revenue is 35.093 billion USD per year. Number of employees is 40,000. Then the pivots are Geico also offers poverty insurance as well as umbrella coverage, which is Geico sells, but the risks of the policies are transferred to third-party companies. Geico manages the policies as the insurance agent and has a separate customer care team, but that handles the poverty and umbrella policies. The history of Geico. Geico was founded in 1936 by Leo Godwin Sr. and his wife Leanne Godwin to provide auto insurance directly to the federal government, employees and their families. Since 1925, Godwin had worked for USA, an insurer who supplies and insuring and military personnel. He decided to start his own company after rising as far as civilian could go. US's military dominated by hierarchy. The Godwins founded the creation of Geico with $25,000 of their own money and $75,000 from Fort Worth, Texas. Based at banker Siblis Reha with legal assistance from the future Geico CEO Leomar Davidson. Based on Godwin's experience at USA, Geico's original business model was predicated on the assumption that federal employees as a group would constitute as less risky and more financially stable of pool of individuals compared to the general public. Despite the presence of the word government in its name, Geico has always been a private corporation not affiliated with US government organization. In 1973, Geico Wins relocated Geico from San Antonio, Texas, Washington, D.C. and reincorporated the company as DC Corporation after realizing that their business model would work best in the place with the highest concentration of federal employees. In 1948, Rena family sold its 75% stake of Geico to Constellation of Interpreters, which was led by Benjamin Grahams. Graham's Newman partnership take 50% worth $712 $100,000 at the time. This scale accidentally voted SCE regularization, which forced Graham News to divest protection of their holdings in 1949, resulting of Geico become publicly traded company at Graham's new investment in Geico eventually related in a position worth $400 million by 1972, which was by far Graham's new best investment and outputted from their profit low combined. In 1951, Warren Buffett, then a Columbia University graduated student under Benjamin Graham, interviewed Lord Davidson and named it Geico, the security I like best. From 1948 to 1958, Geico's market capitalization grew almost 50 times. In 1958, Gordon Wynne retired and was succeeded by Lawrence Davidson, who grew the company's insurance premiums at the compound rate of 60% annually from $40 million to $50 million. Over this tenure, Davidson retired and replaced in 1970 by Ripley Peak and David Lloyd Keuger, who had been one of the others inventors in 1948. In 1974, under Keuger's leadership, Geico began to insure the general public after real-time access to capitalized driving records became available through the United States. At this time, Geico was briefly the fifth largest U.S. auto insurance. By 1957, it was clear that Geico had expanded too far rapidly. During 1973, when it was reported US $112.5 million loss, Keuger retired in 1957, although he continued in his role in chairman of exclusive community until 1958, when he was named honor chairman, and Peak left 1976 after Geico's share price had fallen from $42,000. In private, Geico is comprising a consortium of 45 insurance companies agreed to take over a headquarters and policies. It was forced to issue a stock offering to raise money to pay claims. It took 5 years, which the company sank had a massive recognition and supported substantially by Buffett, set Geico on the path of recovery. So this is the history of Geico and the government employs insurance company. Geico is an American auto insurance company with the headquarters in Seavey, Mass, Maryland. It's the second largest auto insurance in United States. Geico is wholly owned by the providers of coverage more than 24 million motor vehicles, owned more than 25 million policyholders. As 2017, Geico writes private passenger automobile insurance in all 50 U.S. states in the District of Columbia. In insurance agency sales policy through local agents called Geico field representatives over the phone directly to the consumer via licensed insurance agents and through their website. Its mascot is Gold Dusty J. Geico with a Cockney accent voiced by English actor Jay Cook from 2005. Until the transmission due to pay dispute in 2005, Geico is a well-known popular culture for its advertising, having made numerous commercials intended to entertain viewers.